God, somebody light a match or something. Come on. I cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this. Oh, I'm choking to death over here on this gas cloud, this toxic waste that's really just all around me here. Oh, that's so gross. Oh, that's terrible. This is really like the worst torture ever.
A few moments earlier.
Man, that is just really giving me. Wow, that is making me very nauseated right there. Oh, Rapalina, you are not my favorite person right now.
Mom.
My favorite dinosaur.
Mom. Hiccup. Again. Walk.
She got the hiccups because she was laughing. You know, because Rapalina started tooting on Squawk. You know, normal stuff.
Oh, and she's floating there. And she's doing this for some reason.
Oh, that is really gross. That is just really very, very gross.
She's pooping on her.
Oh, that is disgusting. That is really disgusting. You know, Rapalina, you were just a disgusting velociraptor. Really not my favorite dinosaur at all. Oh. Well, at least I'm washed off from all the poop and stuff, you know? It's... Whew. Man.
Call this too.
Oh, another gas cloud here. Oh, that is some toxic gas. That is just nasty stuff here. I really am having trouble breathing. Whew. God, somebody light a match or something. Come on. I cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this. Oh, I'm choking to death over here on this gas cloud, this toxic waste that's really just all around me here. Oh, that's so gross. Oh, that's terrible. This is really like the worst torture ever. We are definitely not friends. Let me tell you that right now. We are not. Oh, hey. Well, you know, what do you expect? You know? You keep tooting on me.
Put in berry. Or put two cloud.
No, I'm way too tough for that. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me.
Not until you say I'm your best friend.
No way. Nope. Not saying it. Well, here, that's what I have to say about that.
My favorite dinosaur.
Nope.
Hey, you're gonna pop my throat.
Well, be nice.
I'm just going to be your friend.
The one that keeps hitting me? That's not my friend.
She doesn't know what she's doing. She's just hibernating. He always does it crappy when he's around her hibernating.
Why does he put up with that? That's terrible.
Because he's her best friend.
That's not what friends do to each other.